How to remove watermark from video with CapCut. So if you want to remove watermark from video with CapCut, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your CapCut application. After opening CapCut, you need to go with new project, and from here you need to go with add, which is on the bottom right. Now as you can see that on the top left I have a watermark. After that you just need simply select the video, and here on the bottom you will have an option of effects. So you need to tap on effects, and then you need to go with the video effects. Under video effects you need to go with blur, search for a blur effect, and once you find the blur effect you just need simply go and select the blur that you would like to add. Now after that go with the tick, and the blur has been added. Right now you need to swipe again on the bottom and then go with mask, and from the mask you can select horizontal mask or rectangle. I'll go with a rectangle one. Now after that you need to go with invert, and once you have the mask you need to just go and adjust the mask where you have your watermark. So you just need simply go and adjust it, tap on adjust again, and done. But if this doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply go back and then just tap on it and make a duplicate and add the second one as the overlay and adjust it to the front. And once you have two videos, you just need simply go with the second one and add the blur effect. So tap on effects, go with video effects, search for blur. So select the type of blur, go with the tick. Now select the first one. Now select the second one, which is on the bottom, and after that you need to go with the mask and select a rectangle mask. After selecting the rectangle mask, you just need simply adjust the rectangle and place it on the watermark. Now if you play, then as you can see that the watermark has been hidden. You can also adjust the mask by more blur concentration. After that go with the tick, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.